Consistency is so much more important long term than perfection. Good morning, beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you my motivated morning routine to get you motivated to start your healthy lifestyle and start your sustainable weight loss journey. So if this is your first video with me, what's up? My name is Charlene Town. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for more videos. But this morning, I woke up and I was so motivated to get going. And so I woke up and I had my coffee. I always get dressed in my workout clothes because that sets my intention for the day that I am going to move my body that day. I wake up and I do my cortisol reducing morning routine, which I will link that video above and in the description box down below for you. And I want to just share with you that if you are trying to get motivated to start your early morning routine, know that it is uncomfortable for everyone to wake up early and start their healthy lifestyle and get that, 5 a.m. wake up call or 6 a.m. wake up call. But you got to get uncomfortable so that you can start seeing change. And I promise you, if you sit in the discomfort in the morning, I promise you're going to feel better later in the day, right? Like your future self is going to thank you for getting up and doing an early morning meditation or doing some journaling or getting your 30-minute workout in and lifting some heavy weights and fueling your mind and your body, okay? Good morning, beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys, we are talking about how to get motivated and what to do when you are not motivated to eat healthy and continue your healthy lifestyle, your sustainable weight loss journey. So if that's content that you like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into today's video. Good morning, beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video with me, what's up? My name is Charlene Town, and I talk all things healthy lifestyle and sustainable weight loss. So if that's something that you're interested in, then you're in the right place. Today's video, you guys, we are talking all about how to get motivated and what to do when you're not motivated. We're gonna start today's video with tip number 1 out here on our walk because it is a Saturday morning. I just woke up early, motivated to do my morning routine, so I did it. What do you do when you wake up motivated or you wanna make a healthy meal and it's like, okay, but what's waking up early once gonna do? Or what's, eating one healthy meal gonna do for me? Use that motivation. One healthy meal, amazing. Going for one 10-minute walk, amazing. Use your motivation when you have it, but don't rely on motivation to keep you going. Use that healthy motivation to get you started. So a couple weeks ago, I woke up feeling super motivated to go for a walk early in the morning because we've had like 105-degree days and it's just been a struggle getting Liv out of the house. And so I started taking the dogs for early walks before Doug left for work. And I woke up motivated on this Saturday to do the same thing. So stick with it. Use your motivation when you have it. The other thing I want to say about motivation is that it rarely hits when we think it's going to. And so I urge you to just start, right? So if you get motivated to go for a walk or eat a healthy meal or do some meal prep on a Thursday, don't wait until Monday to start. Just start then, right? Your healthy lifestyle doesn't have to start Monday. It can start right now, right? So I urge you, when you're feeling motivated, to just get going. Use that motivation to get started because it'll help you continue to create those healthy habits that you can start doing daily. And whatever you do consistently, that becomes your healthy lifestyle. So it's Saturday morning and I started walking early in the morning a couple weeks ago, and now it's just something that I wake up and I'm like, ooh, let's go get some steps in the morning. And it's just a healthy habit that I do now. So, all right, you guys, I am back from my walk. I finished sipping my coffee while I was sitting in bed with my family. It was so lovely. So now it's time for tip number 2. And tip number 2 is to love the food that you eat. Now, I've said this before, but I mean it, okay? Yesterday, I was on Instagram and I saw this incredible recipe for pancake tacos. You guys, if you know me, tacos are just life. Who doesn't love tacos? But this girl loves pancakes. And when I saw this recipe, I was like, high protein, pancakes, tacos. Yes, we're gonna try it today. So the idea is like, okay, so you get motivated to eat healthy. What do you think of immediately, right? I feel like when I was at the beginning of my healthy lifestyle and my healthy weight loss journey, I just wanted to eat less. I thought that the only way I could lose weight was if I ate salads all the time, if I felt hungry all the time. So I wanna share with you guys some fun recipes today that are high protein, really delicious, that are gonna help keep you on track with your goals that you're actually gonna wanna eat. And if you want more healthy recipes, don't forget to get on the wait list for my new recipe book, Empower Your Plate, you guys. It's got high protein recipes, quick, easy, family friendly, full of flavor, like so delicious, quick go-to meals that you're gonna be able to eat throughout the week. So good. I will try to find the original creator. I just screen grabbed the recipe so that we can make it today because they make it with my favorite Tropeaka lean salted caramel protein. So let's make some high protein pancake tacos. You guys, they're gonna be so good. All right, so for whatever reason, they decided 7 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday is a great time to start doing some siding on a house right here. So I'm going to probably do a voice overlay so that you guys don't have to listen to that noise. But I just wanna let you guys know I am going to double this recipe because I wanna make sure that there's enough for Liv to try because Liv really wanted to try this recipe too. So I will list the recipe in the description box down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. As always, I'm gonna modify this in order to make it work best for me and my body. So I will post her original recipe, like I'll tag her, and then I will put my exact recipe of what I have, and I am so excited to try this. So let's go. All right, you guys, we are back and I am getting ready to jump into a 45-minute lower body workout, but I wanted to share my next tip with you on motivation, or more specifically, when you have a lack of motivation. Sometimes you don't want to wake up in the morning. Sometimes you don't want to hit play on your workout. What do you do when you are not feeling motivated? One, that's when I rely on my healthy habits to keep me going. Making sure to set my alarm, making sure that it's like a non-negotiable that I get up and I just get out of bed. But there are days, especially as women during our cycle, where we're just low energy and we're tired, or our kiddo didn't sleep, or we get sick. And in the past, I used to be this like all or nothing. It was like I'm either eating healthy all the time and working out all the time, or I fall off track and it's over and it's done, and then I'm completely off my rhythm and then I have to start all over again. Where I had the mentality of, what's the point if I can't do the big workout? You know, what's the point of doing the smaller workout? Well, the point is to continue your healthy habit. The point is if you can't lift really heavy one day, instead of just being like, well, I can't lift heavy today, my body is too tired, I need another rest day, or I need a rest day, I'm just gonna do nothing. And some days we do need to just do nothing, and you need to lean into that and be okay with that. So listen to your body always, always, always. But there are days where we just don't feel motivated to lift the really heavy weights, and that's okay. Choose something like Pilates or going for a walk. Call your best friend, call your mama, call your sister and go for a walk. Listen to a podcast and go for a walk. Pick your favorite workout that you've ever done or that you do. So for me personally, if I get into a workout and I'm like, I am not feeling this workout today, instead of just hitting pause or just turning it off and doing nothing, I will open up a 30-minute full body workout because I love them. Okay, there's a lot of variety in a 30-minute workout. There's upper body, lower body, abs, maybe some cardio, right? And so for me, it's easier to stay motivated and it's easier for me to get into that kind of a workout. And I know that about myself. I know that if I'm feeling really unmotivated, if I personally put on a gentle yoga or a Pilates where I'm just gonna be sitting there doing little pulses, my brain's gonna check out. My brain is gonna say, I don't have time for this. I can't do this. So for me personally, doing a 30-minute full body workout, I'm constantly moving. It's typically medium level weights. So if my body's tired, I don't have to lift really heavy. And typically it's got some cardio in it, so it gets my endorphins going and I just feel so much better, right? So just pick what works best for you and what is something that you would actually enjoy doing. And the point is to continue your healthy lifestyle and to focus more on consistency than perfection. Continue your healthy habit, continue to move your body. Maybe it's going for a walk. You did a really heavy leg day. You need to move the lactic acid in your legs. Go for a nice long walk. Take care of yourself, but lower your intensity so that you can continue moving your body, right? Consistency is so much more important long term than perfection. It's not about eating perfect. It's not about doing your workouts perfect. It's about consistency and doing your healthy habits on a daily basis, right? All right, I need to jump into my workout, and then when I'm done with my workout, you guys, I have another really delicious recipe for you guys, which I've actually already posted over on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me over there, I'm CharleneTown_, but it is a really delicious chocolate peanut butter smoothie. It's packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, greens. Like, it's so good and so decadent and so delicious. You definitely want to stay for that recipe. I had to share that one with you guys. So stick around for that. I'm gonna jump into this workout. All right, you guys, I am back from my workout. I threw myself together because I was feeling a little sweaty and gross. But we are going to make this decadent chocolate peanut butter smoothie because one, I'm really hungry. Two, I need to refuel my muscles with protein. And it is just so delicious and you need this recipe. So let's make it. Okay, so I start all my smoothies with unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I just do 1 cup. If you want a more low-cal option, you can always just do water. I always do at least 1 to 2 handfuls of mixed greens because I like getting my greens in as often as I can. And this is an incredibly easy way to do it. So add greens to everything. And then to add my 2 favorite things for fiber and a little bit of added protein, I use a tablespoon of raw hemp seeds and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Okay, then I'm gonna do 1 medjool date. You wanna take out the pit. You do not have to do this. You can omit that if you want. It just gives it like a little bit of a sweetness. And then you guys, we are going in with the new healthy meal shake from Tropeaka. They did send this to me, but I've been using their lean protein line for the last 8 years and I absolutely love it. And they finally just like reached out to me a couple weeks ago and they gave me a code for you guys, which is CharleneT15 for 15% off. But they were so generous and they asked me if there was something that I wanted to try that I hadn't tried yet. And I have tried the vanilla meal replacement shake and I wanted to try the chocolate. This tastes so good in smoothies. And what I've noticed with this protein powder in particular is I just do the 1 serving that they suggest, which is 2 scoops. They provide the scoop in here for you, but I really feel full and satiated. Like, this smoothie keeps me really full. Sometimes smoothies feel like more of a snack, but I really feel full when I'm done drinking this, and I really love that. The major difference I feel like between the lean line and this meal replacement shake, and honestly any of their collagen proteins, is the ones that have collagen in them, which this one has collagen in it as well. But the 2 meal replacements and the collagen proteins that I have tried is that when I blend them in just water, they don't get as silky smooth as the lean protein line. Like, I like how the lean blends into water or milk. I like the way the lean, I can bake with it. But I absolutely love it in my smoothie. You guys, it's so good. If you guys want to try Tropeaka, the link is in the description box down below for you. And use my code CharleneT15 for 15% off your first order. You guys get a discount. They are so good. I do the subscription and I get a lean vanilla and a lean chocolate that they just come to my house every like 4 to 6 weeks. I use the lean chocolate in Liv's protein shake and in my high protein baked oats recipe, which I will link that video above and in the description box below for you guys if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, check this one out too if you are looking for more of a meal replacement shake. These guys are good. Okay. I do about 1 tablespoon, not too much, of peanut butter. I'm also gonna drizzle some peanut butter on top because that's how you get like the really delicious peanut butter taste, is putting a little bit on top. I do a half of a frozen banana. I love a frozen banana because it makes it creamy and gives it a little bit more sweetness. I freeze my bananas once they've turned all like brown and spotty, so they're nice and sweet. You don't really taste the banana in this, but it just gives it like a really yummy creaminess, and I love it. About a cup of ice and blend it up. You guys, I was looking at my smoothie and thinking, doesn't quite look right. You know what it's missing? Cacao. We need that. This one is my favorite. It's just unsweetened cacao. I do 1 tablespoon of, ooh, it smells nice and peanut buttery. Yum, love that. And I think I might do just a little bit more ice because I like mine really creamy, and then it tastes to me more like a milkshake when it's like thick in consistency, and that's my jam. Just a little bit. See how this looks. Okay, that looks much better. All right, you guys, so this is what takes this smoothie to the next level, okay? Take another like half tablespoon of peanut butter. Like a tablespoon of cacao nibs for crunch, and a little bit of unsweetened coconut flakes. Oh my gosh, you guys, how amazing is that? So good. Cheers. Yeah, and then you're just gonna stir all the goodness in. So good. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope this video motivated you to find new recipes, try some new things, get motivated to just move your body and eat foods that make your body feel good, find movement that you love, to continue moving your body, to find new healthy recipes, and to just fuel your body and make your body feel good. So if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really supports my channel and I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to comment Empower down below to get on my wait list for the Empower Your Plate recipe book. You guys, it is coming so soon. I'm getting it edited right now. I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to get it to you guys. Don't forget, if you guys want to try any of the Tropeaka products, again, the lean line is my all-time favorite. If you want to try a meal replacement shake that's really gonna fill you up, do it, but you could always make this recipe with any chocolate protein powder that you guys have. Don't forget to use code CharleneT15 for 15% off your first order. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. I just do 1 tablespoon to give it that, oh, there's a really beautiful butterfly that keeps dancing in front of my window. Sorry.